Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to cornrow your hair, so watch to the end to get the knowledge and how to do it yourself. So firstly, I'm going to divide my hair into two parts. I'm going to bond this part of my hair because I don't want it to interrupt the other part when I'm doing it. So now I'm going to take a small portion of my hair. From that small portion that I just took, I'm going to divide it into three sections because I'm going to be braiding my hair. And to do that, you need to divide your hair into three sections. Then you start braiding. I would like you to watch this video carefully so that you can see the way I take my hand and put it to the back and put it to the front. So just watch the video so you can know it. I'll probably recommend you to watch this video while you are braiding your hair, while you are trying to get it yourself. Watch the video and do it on your own hair so that you can easily know it. It's not something hard. Once you know how to do the beginning, the rest is just simple. You just keep following that procedure. You don't change your hand, you don't change what you're doing, just keep doing it like that until you reach the end. So when you get the beginning, the rest is very simple. And when you're braiding, make sure that you are taking the side hair, the hair by the sides. You don't want to leave that alone, because if you don't take the hair by the side, then I don't know what you're doing. So you have to take the hair by the side so that they can all be in one place. As you can see what I'm doing in this video, you can see what I did here. You can see that I took that side hair with what I'm braiding. So that's how you're gonna do it. And again, when you're braiding your hair, make sure that you are also using your ends to detangle your hair, because you don't want your hair to get rough. Because once your hair is rough, you won't know the next one to pick. So you just have to keep detangling your hair with your finger, with your ends, so that it won't get rough, it won't be rough. So yeah. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. And I hope after watching this video you will know how to cornrow your own hair, because my videos are always beginners friendly. So when you're a beginner, you just want to learn something, I recommend my videos to you because they are always beginner friendly. You always get what you're looking for. So yes, so just all you have to do is just watch the video carefully, then you know it. So when you get to the end part, make sure that you braid your hair to the very end, so that if you don't braid your hair to the end, it is likely to lose on its own. So braid it down till there's no hair again, or till when you're feeling just a little tiny hair. Then I'm done with that first one. Let's go with the second one. It's the same thing that I did with the first one that I'm going to do with the second one. No difference, anything, everything is the same. Comb your hair out, pick divide your hair, as in the front hair, divide some, then divide it into 3 parts, then you start braiding. To know how to braid, watch the video carefully. Like I said earlier, I recommend you to watch the video when you're doing it, when you're practicing it on your own hair. Don't forget, pick the side hair, the hair at the sides, at both sides. When you're about to pick the left one, make sure that you pick the hair at the left side, you pick it with it. When you're about to pick the right hair, make sure that the hair at the right side, you pick it with it. So just keep doing that until you get to the end. And I hope this video happens to be helpful for you, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe for more content like this, better ones than this, and turn on your post notification bell so that you will be the first person to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also share my video to people that you know that this video is going to be helpful for. Share my video with them, and I'm very glad about that. Don't forget to detangle your hair when you're braiding. Keep using your hands to detangle them when you're braiding it, so that it won't get rough. This is how I braid my hair after washing it. So I hope you know how to do it too, so that you won't have to wait for someone to come and help you, so that you can be able to do it on your own by yourself. So yes, this will be the end of the video for today. Like I said earlier, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment what video do you want me to do next for you. Comment it down below. Share my video. Turn on your bell notification so that you can